right, lesson 3.5, video 3. This is the last one for this lesson, and I'm kind of excited about it. Because what we have found in the past is students tend to get confused when they're trying to figure out the difference between increasing and decreasing, which is looking at the slope, or positive and negative, which is looking at your output. And as I said in the intro to the first video, I came up with this great little metaphor for, well, I think it's great because I made it up, for how to tell the difference between positive and negative. You can kind of think about the parts of a tree. So here's how we keep it straight. The parts of a tree that are above ground are positive. So if you think of the ground as being your x-axis, okay, so let's draw an x-axis here. Here's my ground. Oops. Here's my ground. Okay, and then let's just put the y-axis over here. If I think of the ground as the x-axis, then anything that happens above that ground would be positive. We see it. It brings beauty to our lives, and it's a positive thing. Anything that is below the ground or below that x-axis would be considered negative because it's down underground with all the dirt and the bugs, and it's gross. All right? As for increasing, well, this thing is increasing as it grows up towards the sky. So these branches are doing what they're supposed to be doing. They're following the sun and trying to get higher and higher and higher. So those would be increasing. Occasionally, though, like when you're walking up to Rabun Gap, you find, or sorry, not Rabun Gap, Rabun Bald, you find some weird branches that forget that they're supposed to grow up towards the sun. They start decreasing and growing down towards the ground. Like in this picture, my decreasing lines would be these weird little branches that are going down. Those are decreasing. Okay, so increasing means it's getting higher. It's growing up. Decreasing means for some strange reason it's growing down and getting lower. A function is considered positive when it is above the ground or above that x-axis. It is considered negative when it is below the ground or below that x-axis. All right, that's my wonderful metaphor. I think it's powerful. Hopefully it helps you keep things straight. Surprise, there's no U-tries, so you can go ahead and move to the practice and let us know when you're ready for the mastery check. Good luck, guys.